Welcome to the Smoke Show. I'm your host, Lex. Today we're doing this kind of Kim K inspired smoky eye. It's a super quick and easy to do smoky eye. Like, you need two colors, you throw them on, you go. So if you want to see how I did this look, slightly inspired by Kim Kardashian West, then keep on watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed. I'm going to use the Shade and Light eye palette from Kat Von D. And first I'm going to take this kind of yellowy base shade, which I think is Laetus, but I don't know because, you know, why would any of this be easy? Kat, just put your names on the front of the palette. Alright, so I'm just going to highlight, put this under my brow. And I'm doing this first so I don't kind of like ruin the blend that I'm going to create. So I'm just popping that down there. Okay. Next I'm going to take this brown, which I think is Solas, and I'm just going to like buff that all over basically. So on the lid. Blend up into the crease. And you can keep building up as much as you want, but always start on the lid and blend up. Don't like start in the crease. Otherwise you're not going to get the like diffused smoke effect. Just buffing that all over, make sure it's nice and soft up here, just like that. So next I'm going to take the black, which is Shax, and you can do this with a smudge brush or a pencil brush and just run it across the lash line, and this does not really need to be neat in any way. Just run it all the way across. Okie-dokie. And I'm going to take a blending brush. There's nothing on this, it's just a brush. And blend this black into the brown. So just like that. So you get, I mean, my eyes are hooded so you're not getting the same effect, but you're getting that soft, smoky blend from the black into the brown into the crease. So there, scissor. Yes, wonderful. So there's that. I'm going to clean off my little pencil brush. Not like too much. It's okay if you got a little bit of black on there. That's fine. So I'm going to clean that off a little bit. And I'm going to take that same brown that I put all over the lid and put that on the lower lash line. All the way across. And give it a little blend. And how much you smoke out the lower lash line is personal preference and also relative to the length of your lower lashes. So I have pretty long lower lashes, so I can kind of like, what is this here? So I can kind of get away with like really blowing out my lower lash line. But if you have shorter lower lashes, you might not want to blow it out as much. Unless you want to. I can't tell you what to do. I can just give you advice. And I'm going to go back with that highlight shade and just put a little bit on this inner corner just to make sure it's not dark in there. Don't want it to be dark there. I mean, you can if you want, but I don't. Because then my eyes are going to start looking a little bit too small. So that's the eyeshadow done. Super quick and easy. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline. If you wanted to do wing liner with this, you could. I don't want to. Black liner, my tight line, and my waterline. Curl my lashes. Apply mascara, and then I'm also going to put some falsies on. These are Knockout from House of Lashes. And then I shall return. So here are the eyes done. I'm basically all lash now, but I'm not mad at it. So, I mean, if you wanted to do smaller lashes, go ahead, but I mean, I think a smoky look calls for some big lashes. So let's finish up the face. I'm going to contour with my Kevyn Sculpting powder. I'm going to bronze with my Chocolate Soleil. If you wanted to, you could totally skip blush and just put a little bit more bronzer like on the cheek. to do like a more bronzy blush, but I'm just going to do a nothing blush. So I'm just going to pop on Mood Exposure from Hourglass. And then I want a bit of a dramatic highlight for this because look at these eyelashes. So I'm gonna do the Hustler Baby side from the Mean Money Hustler Baby duo from Fenty. Cheekbone, up and around the brow. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Down the nose. And I'm gonna pile it on my Gizmo. Just pile it on there. Alright, that's enough. And then for my lip, I am just going to use Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. So here is the finished look. Definitely like dramatic, you know, for a gala or a whatever, you know, casual party. I really like this. These lashes are huge. I am all lash right now and I'm not even mad about it. But yeah, really simple, easy, like quick smoky eye. You only need 2 eyeshadows really. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. Thank you guys for joining me on this smoke show. I will see you again soon. Bye.